Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. What are you looking for?
I need a book on history.com. How about you?
I'm searching for a novel to read.
Have you read anything interesting lately?
Yeah, I read a mystery novel last week. It was really gripping.
That cool. Who's the author?
It's by Agatha Christie.
Oh, I love her books. Which one did you read?
Murder on the Orient Express.
Classic. I should give it a read too.
Definitely, you'll enjoy it. So, how's your history assignment going?
It's okay, but finding the right sources is tough.
Yeah, I'd imagine. Need any help?
That would be great. Actually, Karma, do you know any good history books?
There's one called A People's History of the United States. It's pretty comprehensive.
Perfect. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. Hey, did you hear about the upcoming book club meeting?
Yeah, I did. Are you going?
Definitely. It's always fun discussing books with others.
Count me in too then. It'll be nice to meet new people.
Great. We can go together.
Sure thing. By the way, have you seen that new section on graphic novels?
Yeah, I checked it out last week. There are some really cool ones there.
I might pick one up next time. They seem interesting.
Let me know which one you choose. We can discuss it later.
Absolutely. Thanks for chatting. I better get back to my research.
No problem. See you around.
Bye.